The year of 23 is just around the corner and it is expected to be very important for the Indian auto industry. It marks the return of Indian Auto Expo after being skipped earlier this year due to challenge caused by COVID-19 pandemic. But more importantly, 23 will witness a host of new car launches which will be include both internal combustion engine car and one of the electric powertrains and will be see quite a few of them of 23 Auto Expo. While the list is creatively long below to have noted down of top 10 picks of cars that will be launched in 23. One of the number 1 MG Hector. Morris Garages India will be launched in the new Hector SUV in January 23 and it will be one of the first car launches in the new year. The new Hector is selected to make its due to January 5 and it will be comes to host of visual updates along the new features and tech. MG was already revealed to cabin of the new Hector earliest in this year, which comes to a clear layout and new looks. Larger than 40 inches touch screen display, engine options are yet to be confirmed. Those will be expect to Harrier facelift to continue with the Fell Sword. 2.0 liters diesel and 1.5 liter petrol miles from Curly model in a Hector. Number 2. Toyota Innova Hi-Cross. The all-new Toyota Innova Hi-Cross is the yet another model that will go on sale in India January 23. Will the company was not give us a official date yet. Delivery from the new Innova Hi-Cross are expected to commence around mid-January to April. The crossover MPV is built to the TNGA platform and comes with front-wheel drive monocoques. It will also be one of the most features-packed model from Toyota Innova Hi-Cross. Features like LED lights, ventilated seats, panoramic sunroofs, and wireless charger, secondary row, relaxing ottoman seats. The crossover also comes to 2.0 liter petrol engine and 2.0 liter strong hybrid motor engine, mated to automatic transmission. We have already drive to Innova Hi-Cross and you can find out review on the cars. So next and third number, Hyundai. The new year 23 will also witness of arrive to Hyundai flagship electric SUV in Ioniq. While to Korean car market is yet to announce the launch date, details will expected to electric Hi-Cross SUV to go on sale in India sometime in the first quarter of 23. The Ioniq 5 is built on the eGMP platform, which also upbranded the Kia EV6 globally. To Ioniq 5 is off-roaded to two variants in 58 kilowatt battery pack version available in rear-wheel drive setup and bigger than 72.6 kilowatt battery model with AWD option. We expected only the latter will be offered in India. So friends, next and fourth number, Citroen EC3 Electric. The Citroen EC3 Electric will be the first electric vehicle from the company in India, and we had brought up exclusive information that will be launched in India before March 23. Like the regular petrol-powered C3, the electric hatchback will also be manufacturing locally. While the car maker has not revealed much yet, based on spy shots, the EC3 Electric will look similar to petrol-powered C3, save for some new EV-specific styling elements. Right now, there is no information about the EV technical, specifications and will be believe it's too soon of spiritually anything. So friends, next and fifth number, Maruti Suzuki YTB Baleno Cross SUV. Maruti Suzuki India too has lined up bunch of new launches from 23 will be include a small Baleno based crossover SUV which has been coordinated YTB. Now we recently brought you information that Maruti Suzuki India will be two new SUVs to 23 Auto Expo along with a concept car, and this Baleno crossover likely to be one of the two SUVs coming to motor show. Now we have already seen several spice photoshoots of Baleno based crossover SUV, and it appears to come with Cups SUV, expected to come with 1-liter booster jet engine which makes comeback of India. The Baleno crossover will be related out of the Nexa outlets. And so friends, next and sixth, Maruti Suzuki Jimny 5-door. Another SUV Maruti Suzuki in India likely to be showcase the new 23 Auto Expo India specific 5-door Jimny. It was back to 22 Auto Expo that first saw in 3-door Jimny in India. However, the car was never intended from India as the company wanted to be introduce the 5-door Jimny version in India, in which it reviewed the Gypsy moniker, which was cult stated in country. Now we have already seen several spy shots of prototypes 5-door Jimny, and SUV is expected to have 4x4 variant to along with mid-hybrid petrol engine variant. 7th position are Mahindra XUV 400 electric. Mahindra relieved its much anticipated concept electric SUV in September this year. Badges the XUV 400. The electric SUV is based on fossil fuel power XUV 300, which is already on sale in India, but which charges of the design and increase in length over subcompact sibling. The all-electric SUV 400 is powered by 148 bhp electric motor paired with 39.4 kW battery pack. The electric motor has packed through output of 310 Nm and capable from propelling the SUV up 100 kmpl in 8.3 seconds. Mahindra claimed that the XUV 400 will have a range up to 456 km per charge and comes equipped with single pedal drive features. Mahindra will launch its all-electric SUV in January 23, will deliver to comes later in the some months. And friend, most popular car Mahindra Thar. Mahindra has been working on 5-door version of the Thar, and that's no secret. We have seen a spy footage of long wheelbase off-road SUV, and it is expected to be launched in India 23. The technical specifications of SUV are unknown, but based on the spy photos we can tell that 5-door version retains to be design of 3-door Mahindra Thar with circle addition in the form of longer wheelbase and pair of rear doors come to the engine, and 5-door that is expected to carry forward of engine option from 3-doors model. However, Mahindra could be also used to more powerful interaction of engines off-road, which XUV 700 expect the gearbox option to include manual and automatic along with 4-wheel drive system. So friends, next car is Nissan X-Trail. Earlier this year, Nissan India showcased two new X-Trail along with the Squad and Jack in country of first time, along with relieving plans of bring global models to India. The company has said that will be testing two models and ascertain their suitability of Indian buyers and road of conditions before moving for market launch. The company said that his X-Trail would be the first model that would be introducing with the other to flow. The X-Trail brand its new US with the company having to off-road in the car. The Indian market in that made 10 2000s. One of the powertrain, the Nissan X-Trail offered in three options globally. The most powerful and next car, 10th position, Tata Punch EV. Tata Motors is working a strongly EV offensive from India, and that including launching 1 to 2 electric vehicles every year going forward. And the electric version of Tata Punch is expected to be next EV from the car market. While the company has not relevant to a launch timeline, we expected to Punch EV to make its debut next year. In fact, rumor has is that Punch EV could be showcase its pre-production avatar that to 23 Auto Expo. We would expect the company to launch the Punch EV towards the festive season, and it could be brown its electric powertrain from Tiago EV. The SUV will be built in Alpha platform. So friends, I hope you enjoy the video. So like and subscribe, and we meet in another my video. So take care, bye bye.